Guys, I'm gonna throw this monkey away.
Yeah.
And just now, and when I'm throwing this away, I'm gonna introduce you to the new people who moved into the new house. First one. Ah! Woo! And there's the other one.
We make sure it went in the trash. And close it next to the garbage.
Okay, lock it. Okay, good. Good now.
Just lie down.
Let's go back to
Go to my house.
Sassy.
Oh, cheers! What are you? Check out.
Hello, Sassy.
You were gonna bite. You were fighting. That was. Well, Sassy on the white. That's the most fluffiest part.
Yeah.
She likes it.
Hello.
Okay, let's start with
Let's go to his back.
Okay.
Woohoo! Right here. Me and him are really close. We're fast runners. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah. I'm really tired.
Daddy, I think we should go. Whoa.
Here's like a secret alleyway that nobody knows about. Whew. Okay, so here's like a secret alleyway nobody knows about. Let's get out because I saw like about 59 spiders in there. Woo! And that area, sometimes bees swarm.
Okay, that.
Okay, what?
I just saw a peacock run. Peacock run.
Okay.
He was like,
Let's go back. Actually, no, let's just sit it here.
yeah.
No, it's not paused now. It's not paused now because I only pause it when I'm like taking a rest though.
Yeah, because we need a rest.
Yeah. Okay, Gabe just says as he's gonna go take a nap.
Hey.
Let's go! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Yeah. No, you can go in there.
Huh?
Are you allowed to?
Yeah, that's a Washington answer.
No, come. Let's go take a nap somewhere like secret. Okay.
Okay. See you guys just now. Bye.
Bye. Woo!
I was tricking you now, seriously. Okay, guys, we're gonna take a rest. Why is that green thing following me?
Monkey, just a dumb monkey.
I think people just trying to prank us. Yeah.
I think it's cursed.
And I think when we're just doing stuff, they go to set it up before we go anywhere. We literally tell, and they're behind us, and they literally just doing it, and then they go to us. Okay. Okay.
We're gonna have a break and throw this back in the trash.
Yeah.
Just blank it out.
Why is the monkey out of my hand? Let's go search for it.
No, let's just sit down.
Where's it? Monkey, where's the monkey? Where's it?
It's down the monkey. We just blanked out.
Okay, let me just throw it up. Caught it. Now it's tired.
Go, monkey.
Okay. We're just gonna go throw the stupid monkey away. Woo! Wait, why is the monkey not coming down? Look go into space and it's just floating now.
Okay.
Oh, no, there it is.
No, we're gonna just walk back.
Okay, here's the monkey.
Why is the something hiding?
Why does it keep disappearing?
Okay, let's just start with the bit. Very spooky.
Yeah. So let's just put it back in the trash. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, guys, I just threw the monkey away.
I think we should go now.
Okay, yeah. Well,
Guys, go down there. I'm gonna go somewhere.
okay.
I'm just gonna go into the room.
Okay, bye. See you guys just now. He's taking a nap and I'm super tired, so yeah.
Just like
Okay, he came now?
Yeah, I came from. Yeah, I of course jumped out of the window.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Woohoo!
Yeah.
This is where we're gonna sit. I hope you guys comment down below if you see the monkey around here. I do not, and I really don't want its spine on it. So yeah.
I'm gonna
Monkey! gone. It's gone.
Like
Comment down below.
subscribe.
Like
There's
and
a
Caleb.
notification bell. Yeah. The monkey might be spying us because he mustn't make loud noise.
Okay. Whoo. Hopefully the monkey is not around. It just disappeared. You comment down below if you saw the monkey right up there.
Yo, I legit.
Yeah.
Well, there, the damn little monkey. Wow, how did he get there? Don't touch you.
I don't know. I think we should end this video.
Yeah.
It's getting too creepy. So, bye guys. Say bye.
Bye. Pause
Bye.
it, then finish it.
Say bye.
Bye. Do you know how you must end the video?
See you guys next time. Bye.